All right, so I finally nailed it. Vegan crab salad. So this is the quartered block of tofu, same as last time, mixed with two Gardine's fish fillets, de-breaded, just like last time, a whole hot dog, and a whole strip of bacon, the hot dog being a Smart Dog and the bacon being the Morningstar vegan bacon. 3 tablespoons of veganese. And this time I went a little lighter on the brown sugar. So I did about a teaspoon of brown sugar, and did about a half a teaspoon of the Kikkoman teriyaki sauce. Mind you, I don't keep that stuff in here for being teriyaki sauce. I use that as a base for teriyaki sauce, which it works well for, but it's actually just kind of like what good soy sauce should taste like, because it has the little hint of ginger and garlic in it. This here, with a little bit of black pepper, this is it. This is it. This no complaints. I don't think I could really improve on this without learning something really new about mixing up this flavor palette. This is great.